So, what you got there?
This is a triangle, and this is a square, and this is a circle, and this is a rectangle, and this is a heart, and this is a diamond.
Oh, how about this one? Did you know this already? The third shape?
Yeah, a cube, a cone, a sphere, and also a cylinder.
Great job. Okay.
And that's homework. This is
Okay, at the back. So, how the sounds? It's letter and sounds students should already know. So,
Yeah.
can you tell us?
mm,
Next. What that? And then? What's the sounds? And then?
d.
And then? Very good. How about this? The.
As. To. Do.
Very good. How about it says a new this week letters of the week. So how about this? How about this? Very good. How about this?
S plus U.
Louder.
S.
How about this? What is this?
I. S. Was. U.
Very good. Oh, look at this. What are you the one who do this?
Yeah, it's b.
Yeah, that's letter.
And then
Big letter.
B.
How about this? Letter big letter.
B.
It's a big or small?
Small.
Small.
It's a lowercase.
A lowercase. Okay. So how about this?
Big.
And
Small.
small. Great job. Get the other one there.
Ta-da!
Did you color this? It says elements of art and then shape. Okay, loud.
Square.
And then
Hula hoop.
circle. Oval. Rectangle.